Toka kwenye wakati amesoma ameenda university. My wife is a lawyer. My wife is now a judge of the High Court of Kenya. And you know what inspired her to be a judge? When she was in Butere Girls many years ago, she was visited by Lady Justice Effie Awor, who made an address like what we are doing today. And she made a determination that she will work hard in school and aspire one time to be a judge. Now, my wife is Lady Justice Jacqueline Mogeni. Do you want me to ask her to visit you and talk to you girls? So, Madam Principal, I'll ask Madam Judge to come and speak to the girls to inspire them. Kuna wale wanataka kuwa judge? So I'll send Madam Judge to come and speak to you. Personally, I will never become a lawyer if I was not inspired by what I saw lawyer Paul Muite doing. In 1982, thank you. In 1982, Paul Muite was the lawyer for Charles Njonjo. And I saw him defending Charles Njonjo, and I made a determination. I was in class 6. I made a determination that I work so hard to be like Paul Muite. Later, Paul became also chair of Law Society of Kenya. Paul Muite rose to become a decorated lawyer, what lawyers call senior counsel, like what I am. I also worked very hard. I'm now the only senior counsel from the county of Nyamira. I want my speech today to also inspire you to become a future Mrs. Odiano, to become a future Doris Donya Toto, to become a future Steve Mugabe, MP for West Mugabe, and to become a future senator. How many are saying they will be inspired to become great people in the Republic? Yes, you can make it, guys. So nimeshukuru sana Mheshimiwa Steve kwa nafasi ya kuzungumza na hawa